Saxon Phonics Lesson 40, Assessment 7. Go ahead and get your worksheet out if you didn't already. And let's spell some words for Section 1. Number 1, seen. 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 Number 2, rested. R-E-S-T-E-D. R-E-S-T-E-D. Rested. Number 3, ringing. R-ing-ing. Ring-ing. Number 4, thick. Thick. Th-I-C. Th-I-C. Number 5, that. That. The-at. The-at. If you need more time to spell any of those words, you can pause the video and rewind. If not, let's do Section 2. Look at Section 2. Section 2. Match each picture to its correct digraph. The pictures are feather, feather, thimble, thimble, sheep, sheep, ring, ring. Pause the video if you need more time drawing a line from the correct picture to its digraph. If you're ready for Section 3, continue the video. Section 3, we are going to code. Number 10, th-r-e, 3, th-re. Number 11, dented, d-e-n-t-ed, dented. Number 12, thinking, thinking, th-ink-ing. Number 13, melting, melting, m-e-l-ting, m-e-l-ting. Number 14, path, path, p-a-th. Number 15, stick, stick, st-i-k, st-i-k. If you need more time to code, please pause the video now. Section 4. Here are the beginning sounds. Skr, spr, stra. Our pictures are spray, scratch, straw. Draw a line from the correct beginning to its picture. If you need more time, pause the video. Section 5. Kim has a truck. Kim has a truck. Who has a truck? Kim has a truck. Who has a truck? Answer that question and write the answer right here on this line. Look at the next section. This section needs to be done with your parent or guardian. They will help you fill it out. Read this word. If they get it right, put a check mark. If they get it wrong, put an X or leave it blank. The next section, letter recognition and sound recognition. Have them tell you what these letters are, and then what sound they make, and then write them down as shown. When you're finished, submit your worksheet, or send a picture of the front and back to your teacher.